The tools required to perform this replacement are the head cap wrench, a standard length burr, and the syringe at your dental unit. Be sure to wear exam gloves and secure a standard length burr in the chuck. Please do not open the new turbine pouch until the handpiece has been prepared for reassembly. This will assure the maximum life and performance of the turbine. The pouch and turbine have been manufactured and sealed within a clean zone, which protects the precision bearings from possible contamination. Mark the head cap and the handpiece with a permanent marker before opening the turbine pouch. This is critical to assure that the head cap is tightened properly when the replacement turbine is installed. Insert the head cap wrench in the slots on the head cap. Then, grasp the cap wrench firmly and turn it counterclockwise with inward pressure until the threads are disengaged. Please note that the same force required to loosen the head cap should be used when tightening the cap during reassembly. Making sure that the head cap is fully disengaged, press the burr down against a flat surface to remove the old cartridge and cap from the head, and remove the head cap assembly from the turbine cartridge. Discard the worn turbine cartridge and retain the head cap. On CX models, locate and retain both wave springs, one between the head cap and the turbine bearing, and the other one between the head bore and the turbine bearing located below the O-rings. Please note that if the bearings are damaged, we recommend that the parts which remained in the handpiece head or in the head cap are removed by an authorized Lares repair facility by means of a special tool. Flush the interior of the handpiece head and the head cap assembly with alcohol and clean them with a cotton swab. Flush again and inspect for cleanliness, and then repeat if necessary. Apply Lares conditioner to the entire area of the head and the head cap interior, and then verify the position of the wave springs. Remove the new turbine from the pouch, holding it by the pin provided. Insert it into the head cap assembly until fully seated. Then, carefully insert the entire assembly, burr end first, into the turbine head until the cap rests against the back of the turbine head. Turn counterclockwise with light pressure until seated as indicated by the click sound, and then turn clockwise with light inward pressure until it's fully engaged in the head. Insert the head cap wrench into the slots on the head cap, and with inward pressure, turn the wrench clockwise until it is fully tightened. Be sure to use the same force to tighten the head cap as you did to loosen it, and the marked lines meet. A word of caution: if the head cap is not fully tightened, it may result in the turbine ejecting itself during use. Connect and run the handpiece at half speed for a minimum of 1 minute. Wipe off any visible lubricant, and your handpiece is now ready to operate.